Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will show you about how to clean my motorcycle engine. How to clean your motorcycle engine, you need gas pertama and plastic pellet. Toothbrush. Scissor and cream soap. You cut the cream soap. Second, you put on the plastic plate and mix the grease pertama. Grease pertama and cream soap. Third, my engine is dirty and I will clean my engine. Before and after is very different. Before is very dirty, and now after is very clean. Okay, I hope this video is very useful. If you want to clean your motorcycle engine. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.